The other thing that we had to try, or Mercy did anyways, is this Asian Pigeons wings juice. So it's finally here, and this is what it's looking like. Very lovely looking.
Yeah.
What's the name of the flowers?
Blue turnip.
Something that we have every day, right?
Yes. So the lady said you had to shake it first.
Stir it up.
Yeah. This is the blue turnip.
Supposed to eat that, right? Looks good. Mom, who wants that cherry on top?
Your tail.
Stop, Dorothea. He put it on his ice cream. He likes the cherries. What do you think, Mama?
I can taste
The blue?
the pigeons,
You
the
want
wings,
the pigeon wings?
and it don't taste like Asian.
Don't taste Asian.
That's the name of the drink, right? Asian pigeon wings juice.
So it's supposed to taste like a flying rat.
Kinda, but don't taste like Asian. So, Asian pigeon wings juice. It's juice.
So they squeeze a pigeon to make this?
Yeah. It's just blue turnip juice.
Blue turnip juice?
Yeah. Tastes like milk.
So should I ask the waitress why it doesn't taste like pigeon?
Thank you guys for watching.
Let me see ya.